Hey, it's John Luis again. Today we will speak about why 76% of the traders lose money and how to avoid it. We all seen these warnings about how many people lose money trading CFDs. This one is specific for company called etoro. Let's look at other trading company, plus 500. Again, we see the warning about how many people lose money while trading. And again here, same company but different website. 76% are losing money. And again here. Investing.com, well-known website says same thing. And again here, another website. This time it talks about etoro and shows that 63% of the traders lose money. And of course, again here. Well-known website, forexbrokers.com. They say the risk is that 62% of the people that trade lose their money. Can you imagine this number? 76%. That's huge number of people losing money. Now, why does it happen? Reason number one is because people want to get rich fast and have no patience. People think they can invest $500 and make $2,000 from it in a month. Well, it doesn't work like that. Nobody makes 400% on his money on this period of time. Now I am going to show you real results of traders. First, let's take a look at my own stats. This is my portfolio. Can you see the profit? 2.84% then goes to 0.4% and to 2.25% and etc. These are profits for day trading. 13.63% is the maximum I could do on day trading. I am crypto trader. See this guy? Carlo Alberto. This year, we can see that he made over 10% profit. If we look at 2019, we can see that he made 18%. Nice profit. We can take a look at months and see that most of them are greens. This guy, Sashok 281 made last year 24% and in 2018 he lost 4%. You can take a moment to look at his green and reds. We see that this trader is trading a long time, since 2014. Sometimes he makes money, and sometimes no. Starting to understand how it works? This guy, Mr. Moo, made 31% last year and this year 8.8%. Another thing we can see, in 2019, he had only 1 month that he lost money. On June. Look at this user, last year made 28% but in 2018 he lost 7.2%. We can see that he has been trading since 2016. Most of his trades are green, means he knows what he is doing and actually making nice amount of money. This is the last example I am going to show you. Take a minute and look at total. After this look at months and see how much money he made or lost. In total, he is profitable. This trader has a lot of experience since he has been in the game from 2014. Did you take a look at few months from his trades? Some months are good, some less. Get used to it. No one can make money every time he trades. Let's continue. The stats you saw in the dashboard is from etoro. Great trading company. You can check out the description and open demo account there for free. I guess now you see the real picture. People made 5 to 15% a month on their money. There are no shortcuts. Now let's talk about reason number 2. Once you understand that you cannot print money and it takes time, trading becomes easy. You probably ask yourself, how come? Brokers and financial institutions say it is complicated and hard. Banks say it is hard. The trading dashboard looks complicated and confusing. People around you tell you it is hard as well. Why does it happen? Because banks and brokers want to take your money as commission. And people around you afraid to risk money. But how can you make money if you do not risk some? How much money will you do if you leave it on your bank? Nothing. Everyone can trade and try. Start small with 100 or 200 bucks and invest on assets you can relate to. The next question you ask yourself is gonna be probably, what if I can't trade myself? etoro, the platform I showed you, is your answer. Now I am going to speak a bit about it. This brings me to reason number 3. If you do not want to learn trading, do not trade. You will find yourself very upset and confused. Trading is easy but it takes time and you need to be ready for it. If you are not ready to learn, do not do it. People want results now and here. It doesn't work like that, it takes time. This is why most of the people lose money. Do you remember the users I showed you? You can just copy them. With eToro, you can trade just like they with a copy trading system. If you do want to trade yourself, in the description there are 2 links for 2 companies. Plus 500 and eToro, try demo accounts on them both. Now let's talk about the copy system. Basically, the system copies other traders' moves on similar asset to which you look. This way you can let other good traders trade for you. It's called social trading. Here we see other traders' stats, we can filter them by whatever we want, return, assets and more. This will help you choose the best trader for you. Now let's take a look at gold and see what we can find. You will see news list and updates. Below you will see accounts to copy, click on see more. Now we click on random account. The platform is so easy to use, we choose the amount and we are ready to go. We can play with the numbers, or play with ratio. Remember to try small first. Let's go down, see how many traders you can copy? Here you can add the trader to your watch list and follow him moves. You can see returns of every trader and how many people copy them. Let's click on random account and check his stats. This will give you all the information about the account that you want to copy. Spend some time finding good traders to copy. Check out what they say, what they trade, what is the number of wins and lose. This is very important for you, this is your money. Use it wisely. Now, let's talk about the last reason why most of the people lose money. People invest or try to trade money they can't or don't have. Trading only what you can lose, you will do better job. You will be more calm. Think about it, it makes sense. If you are not stressed you will do better decisions. People are nervous while trading. Relax and enjoy the journey, hope you learn new things. Looks like good time to subscribe and like my content. See ya in my next video. In the meantime, check this comparison video about trading platforms.